Hello, this is Dr. Apollo here. So let's talk about microeconomic factors. So the microeconomic factors are the following. Number one, we have the buyer behavior. So buyer behavior, the decision-making process and actions of consumers when purchasing goods and services. Example, consumer may switch to generic brand during inflation to reduce disposable income. So this can affect the business as well. Let's continue. So that's the economic factors. Okay, buying behavior of the consumer. So application, marketing strategy, business analyze, buying behavior to segment markets and tailor advertising. So we have to match the income to the price of the goods. And determinants of demands, we have factors that influence consumers' willingness and ability to purchase goods, including price of the good. So how much the purchasing capacity, the income, how much the income of the people, tastes and preferences, what do they like, which brand, which nationality, import or export, prices of related goods, substitutes and complements. So if substitutes brand, they go to, if the leading brand, they go to substitutes when one is higher. Expectation of future prices. So they try to purchase now to secure the pricing prices. The rise in petrol may reduce demand for petrol cars and increase demand for electric vehicle. So that's true. So consumer preference. Pricing decision. Okay. Companies monitor changes in income and preferences. Suggest pricing or develop new product. So our example before is the, the size of the product they try to decrease to match the income of the people. Another is factors determinants of supply. No? Factors that influence producers' willingness and ability to sell goods like production cost, technology, number of sellers, government policy, expectation. So production cost na, that can affect the product service na. So yeah, uh, the cost of productions can affect the product cost. Technology. So producing using new technology can decrease the price, increase the volume, number of sellers. So number of producing will lower the price. Less seller, so high price. And government policy taxes. When government impose tax, it will increase the price as well. And expectation. When they expect the product to be good technology, so it will increase the price. Example, improve technology in farming, increase agricultural supply by lowering production cost. Na? So that's true. The issue supply chain management, understanding supply, determine a self-experience, prepare for cost changes or disruptions. Market equilibrium, the point where quantity demanded equals quantity supplied at a particular price. No? So market equilibrium. In housing market, example, in housing market, equilibrium reach when the number of home buyers one equals the number available in the market price. Education policy making governments use prices floor or ceiling, number and control, when equilibrium prices are considered socially undesirable. Economies of scale, cost advantage that firms experience as output increases, lowering of fixed cost. So when you buy bulk, size lower. Internal bulk buying, specialization, and external improve infrastructure in industrial certain types. Example, Amazon benefits from internal economies of scale due to massive distribution networks and automation. So, application business expansion. Companies purchase economies of scale to gain competitive advantage and reduce per unit costs. Types and sizes of competition. 20. Market structure. Market competition. The one company monopolizes everything. Monopolistic competition. Market competition, there are many producing also. Monopolistic, there are only one producing. Oligopoly, when few of the company can control the market, and monopoly, only one company. So, recovery airline industry has few dominant players, no? Delta and Emirates. Strategic planning, understanding market structure, influence pricing, advertising, and innovation strategy. Okay, that's all for our session today. Let's start the summary. So, buyer behavior, consumer decision making, real world example, business application and systems. Determinants factors, factors affecting buyer willingness. Determinants supply, factors affecting products. Market demand is equals to supply at a given price. Marketability. Economies of scale, lower per unit cost with more output. Types of competition with market structure development. So we'll continue next session. Thank you for having me.